Welcome to Pet Tunes Pro by Pet Acoustics, the wellness sound system for your pet's peace and comfort. So let's get started. Turning the unit on. Insert one of the 3 included Pet Acoustics micro SD cards into the SD card slot. Press the button that says BT once to enter Bluetooth mode. Press the BT button once again to switch to music mode, and the music will begin playing automatically. To get the lights to change, tap the speaker to cycle through low, medium, and bright. If you want more colors, press and hold the touch surface to scroll through 48 soothing color options. Release when you see your favorite. To wake the speaker from sleep, tap the mesh or press any button. There's an auto shut-off. Press the timer button to set your desired session, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. You'll see the numbers below the clock. The unit will gently power down when time is up. To volume up or go to the next track while the music is playing, press once to raise the volume. Press and hold to skip to the next track. If you want to go to the previous track or go volume down while the music is playing, press once to lower the volume. Press and hold to go to the previous track. To pair with Bluetooth, press and hold the BT button to enter pairing mode. On your phone or tablet, you'll select DY28S or Pet Acoustics from the Bluetooth list. The speaker has a lot of volume, so always start with a low number. A chime will confirm your connection. Bluetooth automatically turns off when an SD card is playing. To power or pause, press once to pause or resume music. Press and hold to power off the unit. Tap the mesh or press any button to wake the device from sleep. To set the time and date, press the clock button at the back to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. Press and hold to adjust settings, the year, the month, the day, the hour, and minute with the plus and minus buttons. You can also set the alarm by pressing and hold the alarm button to edit. Now you're all set to bring calm and comfort to your pet's environment with Pet Tunes Pro. Visit petacoustics.com for more music options and helpful tips.